How to withdraw money from Go Crypto app. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw money from the Go Crypto app step by step. A lot of people get stuck at this part, so if you've been wondering how to move your funds out of Go Crypto, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Go Crypto app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, tap on the Profile section at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see your available balance. This shows how much virtual profit you've made from your simulated trades. On my screen, you can see my balance is around 5,000. Looks impressive, right? But here's the key detail. That balance is 100% virtual. It's just numbers inside the app. You can trade, earn, and grow your portfolio, but it's all part of a simulation. If you actually head to the Play Store and check the description, you'll notice that Go Crypto is clearly listed as a trading simulator. So instead of being a real exchange, it works more like a learning game. The main idea is to help you understand the basics of crypto trading, test different strategies, and get a feel for how the market moves without any financial risk. Now here's the big question. Can you withdraw money from Go Crypto? The answer is no. Even if you're showing big profits in the app, those profits aren't real. You can't cash them out to your bank account, and you can't send them to a crypto wallet. The app is purely educational. I even double-checked online. And everywhere it's confirmed, Go Crypto is just a simulation tool. So to wrap things up, Go Crypto is an excellent app if you want to practice trading and learn how the crypto market works without putting real money on the line. But remember, all the earnings you see inside the app are virtual, and there's no way to withdraw them. If you still have questions about Go Crypto or any other trading platforms, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And if this video cleared things up for you, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.